Hi everyone, my name is Isabella Susilowati. I'm an Excel and Power BI enthusiast with decades of business experience. I publish weekly video about how to work smarter and not harder every Thursday. Today, I'm going to show you two things. Firstly, how to create a tree map of sales by channel and sales by state in Power BI. And secondly, how to add a special tooltip into our tree map showing sales by city bar chart. What's a tooltip? A tooltip is a box that appears when we hover into a Power BI visualization such as bar chart, line chart, or tree map, or any charts. By default, a tooltip would usually show the data value of the charts. For example, something like this. Tooltips can also be customizable to show charts such as this, or to show drill-through prompts like this, which I will go through in my video next week. I will leave the link to download the PBIX file in the description below so you can use it to practice along. Alternatively, you can also download the file from Power BI Service sample file. Let's get started by creating our tree map. This tree map shows total sales by channel and by state. Each channel has one color. Online is green, store is red, outlet is yellow, and social media is black. So, if you want your tree map boxes to have the same color, you put that in group. That's why channel is in group. And then the details are basically the boxes within each channel, which is the state. And the values is what do we put in there. At the moment, we are using sales. Let's recreate this. We have tree map there that you need to click. And we want to show sales, which is total category volume. And then we want to have channel, one color, one channel. And then we want to have state. And we're pretty much done. It's not quite the same as what we had in here. Let's just do a quick check. There is a bit of filtering happening. So if you open up the filter pane over here, it will tell you that blank is excluded and running year is 1. So we can quickly replicate that and click that, and we can exclude blank and include running year filter. Let's type running here. And just select one. So that's good enough. We can add the label, turn on the label, and now we have the label. Notice one thing, the color is a bit different. We have red and yellow there. We can do color swapping quite easily. Just click that, click the tree map, and then go to format, data colors, and let's swap that. And we are done. Now, what we need to do is check it. Everything looks good except we don't have the tooltips yet. Now that we have created the tree map, let's move on to creating the tooltips. Let's create the tooltips. Hit a new page and call it Tooltip Practice. And click the format. Let's resize that to tooltip. Make a small box there. And then in the page information, make sure tooltip is turned on so that Power BI know that we intend for this page to be set up as a tooltip. We are going to build our charts in here. Let's put that there. We're going to have sales by city and by channel. Values is the sales, and then legend is channel. Okay. So that's good. We just need to sort them. That's looking good. And the last bit is exclude channel equal to blank. And put running year equal to 1. So I'm putting the same filtering as what we had earlier. Now we are done. And we also don't need that axis, so we can get rid of that quickly. Axis, short. That title is looking a bit too light, so let's just fix that. Go to title and make that black. So we have our tooltip nicely done. We have the Treemap over here. Now let's link it up. How do we do that? We just need to click format, go to tooltip at the bottom, and in here, in the page section, select the tooltip practice, the one that we have just created. And voila! Oh, that's good, except the color is wrong. Channel should be pink. Go back to our charts, fix the color, data color. Okay, now let's check that one more time. Nice. And we are done. So notice one thing, in here, our chart is showing all channels stacked into a horizontal bar chart, but in here, as we are hovering, because we are only selecting store channel, then our bar chart is filtered. And that's how we match the color. Now that the Treemap and the tooltips are done, let's publish the report to Power BI Surface. It is best to hide the tooltip charts. Right-click and hide the page. Save your changes and then publish. So I'm just going to refresh this page. And look at that, that's the practice that we have just created. Voila! It's so beautiful. Because we have hidden the tooltip practice chart, you can see that in here. We only see a clean 4 pages, but you know that in the desktop we have another page. I hope you have learned something useful and will be able to incorporate tooltips with charts into your future Power BI reports. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my future videos which get published every Thursday. See you next time!